Little bits. Take a little bit off. Yeah, throw. Whee! Go on. Don't be scared. Go on. Way!
Go. Oh,
Throw.
bird.
Throw it out to the back, to the birdies at the back. Yeah, go on then. Throw it to the birdies at the back. Go on. Don't be scared. They're waiting for you. See if it eat out of your hand. No, come here, baby. Look, come this way. Look.
I just feed it to Mama.
Yeah, do these ones. Look.
Mama bird.
See if it eat out of your hands. Put your hand down and it'll come and get it.
I'm scared. Listen.
Woo! Come here. Come close. Look, they're sitting right by you. Look.
Come on.
That's it.
Oh my God, babe. That was close. Yeah. Woo! Good job. That was happy. No. Okay, Lisa. Yay! He's happy now. They're all waiting for food. Jabba! Yum yum. Good job. See. One at a time. You stole your piece? Wait, you stole your piece?
That's too big. Too smaller.
This way?
That's it, yeah.
That's it.
Too big, baby. Look. That's how you run out quick. Don't make smaller. Break it in half. Take little bits off.
This much?
That's it. Look, no, break it smaller than that. There you
I
go.
wanted this much. Here you go. There's one. There's a piece.
There you go. Look, Owen, get it. That's it. Come on in, you get it. Okay, close. Oh, you must do it very slowly because you scare them. Oh, come out of the way. Come over here. That's it. Go on in.
Come on, buddy.
Do some more.
There's one here.
Too big. Look, you're going to run out. See? Go on in. Do to the little birdies. Look.
Where?
Here, right in front of you.
Why are we eating? Hi. Daniel. Daniel.
Wow, they catch it when they're flying. That's clever. Gone smaller than that. That's too big. They just need little bits.
This one?
Yeah, that's it. Go on and throw that.
Daniel.
Don't make any sounds. Smaller than that. Half it. Look. That's it.
Daniel. You ate it. Daniel. Daddy.
Go on, it's going to get it. Watch. Gonna get it.
Daddy.
Whoa, that was a brave one. Whoa.
Let's feed everyone up here.
Go on in.
Where are they going?
Go on in. Go on in. Throw. Throw. Woo.
He got
Yeah.
He got it. Is this much?
Yeah, that's it. That's about right.
Yeah. This much?
Yep, that's about it.
Yeah.
Yep, go on in. Don't throw too hard because it looks like you're trying to hurt the birdies. He's got it.
He's running away. No.
Look at these ones here, Pooh. Look.
Let's see ya.
Has it run out yet? Go on then. They'll find it, don't worry. Is that it? Come on then, let's go to the shop. Say bye, birdies.